Hello everyone, Kaikane Smith here once again. I hope all of you ladies and gentlemen are having a lovely day today. Okay, so today's question is of course another common one I do get way too often, so I've got no other choice but to put it out here. This one's from Brian from Durban, South Africa. Brian asks, Kaikane, what are the best tools and textbooks to use for teaching private English lessons abroad? Can you give us any tips on the best ones you use and that students like? Ryan, thanks. Awesome question, so that's why I'm answering it. I'll be to the point here, everyone. As mentioned in my book, any type of Cambridge University Press text is awesome, as well as on occasion McGraw-Hill books and a few others. For example, Grammar in Use, All Levels. It's a really great book. It covers a lot of grammar and has a lot of nice exercises in it. Grammar in Practice, again by Cambridge, All Levels. They do have levels 1 to 6 in vocabulary and grammar. Then we have the McGraw-Hill texts, Common American Phrases, Idioms, and so forth. Collins Workplace English, etc. Speak English Like an American, amazing. A simple, fun book that I use daily for vocabulary and idiom practice. Any types of news applications as well will do good. If you have your phone and your laptop, do use it in your lesson. Encourage your students to do so as well. Also, any newspapers or cool and fun magazines or any cool storybooks or what have you. All of those tools will do you well in your lessons. Remember, these work like a charm. Students love them. I've been using them for years and still do to this day. And these are just to name a few. Remember, Brian, your goal is to make your lessons fun and entertaining so that your students don't get bored. Switch up the text and tools above, buddy, and you'll be all set. Well, that's it for today, chaps. Be sure to check out my cool website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, if you have any in-depth questions that need finely tuned answering or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice on earth possible on how to find an ESL job abroad and make tons of money, then please book an email or Skype consultation via my website. Don't hesitate. I'm always here for you. You awesome people have a lovely day and stay tuned for more awesome videos. Got thousands to put out. I'm doing several a day, so stay tuned. Till next time, peace out and keep it real and stay focused.